Hello there, in this video we'll walk you through the process of accessing and viewing message requests in Messenger. Sometimes important messages from people who aren't in your friend list end up in the message request folder. So let's learn how to find and respond to these messages. Let's get started. So first of all, open this Messenger app and then you can see here the three line here corner at the left corner, and you will see the message request. Tap here and you will see the two list you may know and spam. So it can be in any list. So we will go to another spam, and you can see here there is one message and it's my friend. So I will click here, and then in this way you can see the on message request that you have not seen in your direct message. So in this way you can track your message request and see. So and there you have it. If you know now how to view and respond to message requests in Messenger. Don't forget to regularly check your message requests folder to ensure you don't miss any important communications from new contacts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions and comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.